And you know, as Indian people,
We're all cheese here.
That looks like a wig, like hair. Beautiful gals.
Wow.
Heavy.
Where do you guys come from?
I come from everywhere.
What about you?
I'm just here.
This is like my everyday.
Do you guys travel in a hurry?
I know, where's your street now, Phyllis?
What the shit's
Are you videotaping?
No.
She's scared. Yeah, she is. No.
This is just snitch.
This is real life behind the scenes. Don't freaking look at me.
This is Shawnee's boyfriend. Hi.
This is my partner. They're on their period right now.
That's Destiny's hat back there.
around, man. I'm just stressed.
It's Thursday, so that's meeting today.
I gotta go.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys.
Is this my mask? I believe it's your...
It's Thursday. We're getting ready to go outside.
Which one? I feel like...
But then when I went like that just to give a little wipe, I saw blood all over my hands. I was like, what the fuck? I sat up and my blood was dripping everywhere. I was like, fuck's sake.
Just our luck, eh?
Literally.
Everybody's on their period or
Because he's started
sick
everything too.
stuff.
Who's even gonna be in the lodge? Just you and Tash.
I guess so.
I'm
Tash
Tash would be like, you know, like me still going to their spot.
Maybe do it. Spread it out.
My man over here.
Spread it out first.
But
Oops.
Grandma's smudging. Hey guys. It's hot. Steph.
Hey, I'm crying.
Oh, I look so good with that. How come I'm not married?
Who's your husband?
There's a couple here. Joni, what's happening so far?
Getting ready for the Sundance meeting. Natasha has walked me around a lot. That's about it.
Who are you?
Now, who's in the field? Oh, there's washrooms over there.
You're in the video.
Stop it!
Hey, camera shot. Friday morning.
There's a bunch
Tree
of branches
ceremony.
by there. Logs.
No ceremony.
Just go to that one Mila went.
I don't want to go in there.
Well, you're gonna trip here.
Just look how many sticks are there, Grandma.
Well, I'll go.
Grandma being difficult.
I'll go.
My family.
Put these somewhere.
Put them back
On the
in
ground?
there.
Make a hole for them and then you can come back and get them.
Mila, come here and look.
Get a cup for them. Oh, there's one there.
Oh, I found it.
Mila.
Who are you?
Yolanda Green. I'm the mother.
Who are you?
Steph. Not because she posted you.
Who are you?
I'm Shoshona Blacksmith.
Who are you? What's your name?
Louis?
Nah. Right and over here at Sundance. Seth's struggling to get her jacket. Friday morning. It's raining. They just put the tree up. At the girl. At the Sundance right now. We're staying in the main building. That's Shawnee's bed she's set up. Yeah, they're putting up the lodge right now. And it's raining buckets. Cats and dogs raining out there. My lashes by Kate. So this is my grandma made the jam, my grandma Yvonne, and the bannock. I just made some tea, some red rose, so I can create and eat. These ones are gonna be white, and then some of the dots are gonna be red and blue. Mmm. What are you doing, Yolanda?
Doing the Taz.
Huh?
I'm tying the trees for the lodge. Because that's the way.
I've just been out here working all morning.
Mud all over your face.
How did that actually get there? I've literally been out here for like 20 minutes. Mom, help me.
There's your buddy's breathing.
That's him?
Yeah.
Doesn't he have a shaved head now, though?
Yeah.
That's cute for you.
You look so like doughy. That's her type though. Update, guys.
His big hands.
Johnny, update us.
I love him.
It's Friday night. It's currently 11:22.
Go film the dancers.
I've just set my alarm for 5 a.m. We're feeling good. We're tired. But imagine how the dancers feel.
True.
Gotta get up, do the cutting tomorrow. Pretty uneventful night. Like, in terms of, I don't know, I guess ceremonies. Like, we just took everybody to the tree.
She's lying there.
She's nibbling on the blanket.
This is our setup.
It's really fucking hot in here. Oh, I'm sure to grab your phone. Yeah. I'm tired, man.
I'm about to take some of this. Ooh, hey. Wait, let me focus, girl. Hey. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high. Na 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 na. Wake up in the sky, you can tell me I fly.
Zero. Aaliyah just looked terrible.
My lashes still look good
I
though.
look sick. I don't know.
What time is it?
8:17 it says so.
8:18. We just finished women's piercing. It was Steph's first time helping.
Whose shoes are those?
Destiny's first time in 3 years or 2.
Can I wear them? Go for it.
Des, how are you feeling? Leave me alone. How do I look? Oh, she just needs Pepsi. Yeah. Check in the kitchen today. The kitchen's over there. It's the round building.
Oh, you're smutty. Okay, should have told Dorian to grab all those cold tablets.
Should have told him to grab another bag of hash browns. We're all gonna. It's okay. I'll only have a little.
I'll only have a little. You know we don't eat when we're at Sundance.
I'll have a lot. Just kidding. I'm gonna fry up some
You
scrambled
guys can
eggs.
take a break if you want. I just need Shawnee gotta be there.
I'll feel bad if I don't go, so.
I know you always does. We try to make sure our helpers sleep though.
I'll sleep after. I don't really care if I'm up for any of the.
No, it's not in there. Come on.
You know who
We
has
woke
pop?
up at 5. It was raining.
See April.
Who got a gift?
I left it in the. I didn't grab it. It was in the.
No, I gave it to somebody. Who did I give it to? Did I give it to Robin?
I was like, oh, man, how many weekends
Oh, with my flash on. Silly all the time. Is your mother-in-law? She's not back yet.
Oh, my
She's probably coming a little bit later.
Nah, because I'm always saying that to him. How was your morning, Tube?
Lovely.
Did Courtney ever say what those things were? Or
What things?
the slow cooker?
It's a turkey or something. It smells gross. Share with us one of your teachings there, cousin, brother, nephew.
Smoking on fucking smoke.
I don't even know. You don't have any?
You know what? I think she does know.
How are you feeling, Steph? Huh?
Tired.
Oh, yeah. How is this? Your first time at a Sundance? How is it?
Spiritual awakening.
Hey, you should ask for your spirit name.
Sorry, guys. I feel really strongly about spirit names.
What's yours? Never mind, not saying. Someone might try to use bad medicine. Aww.
This thing isn't even boiling yet, so we're not.
There's my giggly girl.
Pose for the camera.
Pose. Mala. Fires. Saturday Night Live here. They're doing doctorings. Me and my girls are sitting outside.
Hello, my girl.
Everybody's tired. My girl's back there.
You want to
I was like sitting there and I was like, for some reason I feel like having just because I'm sick.
Saturday night. What time is it, Dust?
10:23.
10:23. They just finished bedding down the dancers. My girls are just tired here. Gotta wake up at 4:30. Oh, 5. Okay. Some of my lashes fell out because I was rubbing my eye aggressively.
It was so funny. I was like, I'll go hit him with that stick
Who?
this morning.
Who? Oh, yeah. Whoever was banging the drum. It's like, how would he like it if someone woke him up like that? No.
I really am. Why do I always end up cooking?
Because you're a good woman. You're a good woman, my girl.
And I need a husband.
Someone offer her dad 20 horses.
A bull.
A buffalo. It's Sunday morning. I just woke up.
Hey! Sundance is finished. It's raining again. It was awesome. A lot of people. A lot of motion. A lot of singing. I got a gun.
Sundance is over. I accidentally ripped out a couple lashes.